Hey, welcome back to Wayne's Hot Rods. We're trying to put the hood on, get the Zeus clip bars mounted correctly. Got the hood there. Over at CMJ Customs, which is, he's going to start a YouTube channel called Two Guineas Garage. Does great work. It's one of his cars he's putting together. He did a lot of work on this car. He's got the trunk floor and some other work done to it. Put some mini tubs in it, put some bigger tires under it. And we ended up with the fuel system on this. Put a new pump in it, and we up under here, got that all done. Seem to be much better now. We're going to get this hood mounted up hopefully today. If not, finish it up tomorrow. Put the other rail on across the way there. And then once we get the hood on, then we can check it out, make sure we can paint it. I'm trying to think of a design. I think I'm going to do partially black in the center, and then do gray on the sides here. Maybe bring it around the front, and then put a big cancer sticker on here with the different colors for representing different cancers. Let me know what you think about that, and we'll do that. So stay tuned. So as we're doing these Zeus clip rails and stuff, I just wanted to show you. There's a kind of hard to see, high side. So when you put them on, they go up like this into your hole, and then you rivet it, and the rivet holds it in there. So if you put them in like this, there's nothing for the rivet to hold, and then you'd be yelling at yourself. And then once it's in, you may have to so they look like that, and then when the button comes down, it goes in here and turns, and there's a clip that holds it onto the hood. So right here, and then underneath. Yeah, it's really tough to see. Right there, it turns and grabs on. So yeah, we get that on, then we can wash it, and then I'll be back. Stay tuned.